Hopefully you enjoyed the little sound clip. And never know. They're gonna know. They'll never know. No, bagging it. Yeah, bagging it. Yeah, hell yeah, bagging it. Try to stay on that side more, that side lower. It's like an arc. It's like, you good. Yeah, it's it. All right, now you gotta get it over that way some more now. So that way we can wrap. Yeah. That's it. Taking out the door handles. Just, God damn it, my bad. The car's almost done. We just gotta do the fenders, the doors, and the roof, and the back bumper, the bottom part, and it should be good. But so far, so good. So. Yeah, carbon fiber.
Where you going?
This way. God. I was gonna say both sides, bro.
Yeah. Wait.
We should use the hold on. There it is. Car is complete. The homie Kamar came through and helped out. This joint look good.
Definitely do.
I don't think it's gonna look as good on the GoPro like it would on the phone, but
That's the real thing. You check this car? The windows don't roll up. I mean, no, the windows roll up and down, but the door don't.
Yo, why do they put the fog lights back in, yo?
I gotta do the lights. I gotta get some bulbs. Yeah, I want to change the bulbs and get the clear joint.
man, you just gotta get the tent done. That's it. Oh yeah, and the lip. Oh, and put the side skirts on.
You gonna put them back on?
like the car dropped down when you turn it straight. So it's like the wheels was riding on the fender.
When the tire fuck up the wrap, yo.
Yeah, it was sitting on the tire because when you turn it, like
That's
the car
what I'm saying.
dropped down.
It start fucking it up. I don't like that, yo.
Oh, man, look.
No, you need to raise it up a little bit more.
I ain't gonna... Okay, what color the car is? I ain't gonna like it.
Dang, yo. It's right, yo. It's right, yo.
It's always my size fucked up. I did that sign kind of short.
You cut it short?
You can always put a piece on
Yeah, I
it.
can put a piece on it.
They'll never know. They're gonna know. They'll never know.
Yeah, the color is nice.
It's nice, yo. And then like the
it's
handles.
dark blue.
Then the handles, bro. With the wheels and the trim. It's like 5 in the morning. I'll show you guys what we got coming up in the next videos. Just a quick sneak peek. And we go from there. Hopefully you enjoyed the little sound clip before this clip. Tried to put this thing together as best as I could because we about to have to turn the heat up just a little bit on them. And we go from there.